Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree the other day and I saw a lot of goodies that I wanted to share with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so before I get started with the goodies, I do have a giveaway going on. I did not end it yet because I wanted to let more people enter the giveaway, so make sure and enter. I have two pair of the Ayani lashes, 2 pairs of them, and I have a makeup palette. So make sure to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So make sure you guys enter. I definitely want to pick someone. At least 2 weeks from now, I'm going to be picking someone, and I will announce it in the video. I think I'll upload another Dollar Tree haul, and then I'll let you guys know who the winner is for the giveaway. So make sure to enter the giveaway. So let's go ahead and jump into the bags. The first thing I picked up were these hangers. I thought these were such a good deal. 7 hangers for $1. I think it's not that bad. These are not for me, these are for the hubby. I do not use these kind of hangers. I use the velvet ones. Those are the ones that I prefer. So they do also carry the velvet ones, but they only have like 3 of them for $1. I feel like that's not a good enough. Like I need a lot. Like I need 50 hangers to hang up most of my clothes because I have a lot of clothes I need to hang up. So I'm definitely on the hunt looking for that. And then the next thing I got was this cute pen for my daughter. It has like a princess crown and it's very fluffy. I know she will love it. As soon as she sees it, she's gonna fall in love with it because she loves all that stuff. And then I got 2 coloring books, one for my son and one for my daughter, the Barbie one. I thought these were so cute. At least these are so good to entertain them because sometimes they get so bored so fast, and yeah, they need entertainment. So I love to have coloring books and entertain them with them. So the next thing I got were some crayons for the coloring books, but not only do they have the crayons, they also carrying these crayon boxes. I thought this was such a good idea because my daughter tends to break the boxes and then leave the crayons all over the place. So having this crayon box is such a good idea because she could just put them in here and just put them away, and she cannot break this. So that is why I love. Another thing that I picked up were these butterfly die cuts. These are cutouts of butterflies. So I want to go ahead and decorate my daughter's room with butterflies. Now that she's getting older, she's getting out of the phase of the Minnie Mouse that I used to have in her room. So I want to go ahead and decorate something different, and she says she loves butterflies. So I'm going to go ahead and try to decorate her room with that. Another thing I picked up was some more hand sanitizer. We all need this. We all need it in our lives. So I went ahead and picked up some more. And then another thing I picked up was for my daughter. She has these Trolls little hair clips, and she loves Trolls. So when I saw this, I said yes, she will love it. She'll wear it when she goes to school. And then another thing I picked up, I saw this actually on TikTok. Someone was talking about it and I could not find it anywhere. But now that I went to this Dollar Tree, they had it. And it's the makeup brush cleaner. This is a rinse-free formula and quick drying. I thought this was so good to clean your brushes. I'm very lazy with cleaning my brushes, but I do try my best to clean them as much as possible. And using this, I think it's going to be a lifesaver. So hopefully I'll give it a try and let you guys know how I feel about it and if it's worth the money. I mean, it's only $1, but I'll let you guys know if it's worth it. And then another thing I picked up was this cute water bottle. I thought this was so cute with the handle and everything. I was sitting there debating, like, do I really need this? Because I have a lot of water bottles, but this is so cute. And for only $1, I thought it was adorable. It's BPA free. I could use it for me, or my daughter can use it. However, like, anybody can use that. And then another thing I picked up were these 2 well, they're not glass, they're plastic. These 2 cups. I thought they were so cute, especially for now, for summer and spring coming around and you want to drink a nice cocktail outside. I thought these were so cute, and you can't break them because, you know, they're plastic. So I thought it was such a good idea to have. And then the last thing that I picked up were these, what are they called? They are called ice pop makers. So my daughter can make her own ice cream pops. I thought this was so cool because she loves ice cream, and I was thinking of making a smoothie, a nice fruit smoothie, putting it in here, and then they can eat it like that for both of the kids. I guess it's so cute, especially for summer. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a nice ice popsicle for the summertime. I thought it was so cute. And then that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, but I did want to show you guys what I got at Ulta because I did pick some stuff up. The first thing I picked up were these Ardell Wispies. Now these were on sale, so I went ahead and picked it up. I love these lashes just because I do my own lash extensions at home. So I love these because they give you a lot of volume but very natural. They're not super heavy and dramatic for an everyday, because I mean I use my lashes every day and you guys can see like they're very natural, not too much. I don't like too much drama, so I love these for my lash extensions. Absolutely love them. And then I just repurchased some 2 lip liners. These were also on sale. They were like for $1.50. I was like, oh my god, that is a steal. So let me go ahead and get it. This is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Bear. And then I have this one that's in the shade Sugar and Spice. Like these two are like my absolute favorites, so I had to repurchase. I mean, they were on sale for $1.50. You cannot go wrong with that. But yeah, that is it for today's video, my Dollar Tree haul. And yes, make sure to enter the giveaway. I can't wait to pick someone for the 2 lashes and a makeup palette. So definitely subscribe, like this video, and yeah, leave a comment down below when you're done, or let me know what is your favorite makeup product. And yeah, you are entered. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye my loves.